फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एक्सप्रेशनाचे लोकांनी कशे लढले आणि कशे आपले थॉट्स दुसऱ्यांक कोण. सो तेज्या खातीर हांव पयली रिक्वेस्ट करता, माझी एज नासली ना, तेंचो तितलो एक्सपिरियन्स आसा, तेमी हे गांव न्हू हे गोवा खातीर खूब केले. एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्ट करपा खातीर आमची इकॉलॉजी खूब वावरले ते ऑर्गनायझेशन गोवा फाउंडेशन, तेंची बीन ह्या वर्सा 40 इयर्स दे आर protecting this environment for last 40 years. Goa Foundation is history cloud advisor. So त्यांचे डिस्क्रिप्शन आणि त्यांचे हांव तोखणाय करपाचें तितली एज. सो हांव क्लाउड सराक सांगता, मातशें तुमचे येवन व्ह्यूज सांगा. What was happening previously, how you started, and currently the freedom of speech is really curtailed in Goa. So I welcome Cloud sir.
Thank you, Praveen. आमकां हे विशय दिला जनरल आसा. सगळ्या लोकांक कळटा की ह्या गोंयांत आनी देशांत फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच गॅरंटी आसा. इज पार्ट ऑफ आर्टिकल 19 and nobody can take this right away from us. I am concerned with very practical issue that has taken place in Goa in the last few days, and that is the complaint filed by Karina Shirodkar with the Panjim police station against Swapnish Shedlekar. This is a very clear case of whether freedom of speech is applicable in Goa or not. That's मातशें तुका हे दिता, माहिती दिता. Now, Swapnish Shedlekar, I hold him in very great regard because every 3-4 days to blog karta and he takes up very good issues, explains to the public something that I have not done for so many years, but he explains everything to the public. कोंकणी उलयता, सारकें कितें स्पश्ट करता, डायग्राम्स काडटा, मॅप्स काडटा, जजमेंट जाता हायकोर्टान तो ब्रॉडकास्ट करता, तो वाचून दाखयता ते हायकोर्टान कितें म्हणलां म्हणून सगळें तें स्पश्ट करून आमकां सगळें क्लियर मॅसेज दिता कितें चलता म्हणून गोंयांत. ही डज नॉट से येस ऑर नो, ही ओनली गिव्स द फॅक्ट्स. कितें कोर्टान कितें ऑर्डर पास केला की तो तो ब्रॉडकास्ट करता, दुसरें कांय काम करिना तो. Now in this case of Tiger Sanctuary, एक कितें विशय आयलो that you are not supporting tiger reserve in Goa. सरकाराच्यान सगळें जालां की टायगर रिजर्व गोंयांत आमकां नाका म्हणून ताणें अपील केला सुप्रीम कोर्टान, आनी ती आतां विशय आतां सुप्रीम कोर्टान आहा. आनी 12 तारखेक कितें तें आनी फर्दर चर्चा जातली. CCCचो रिपोर्ट आज पर्यंत येवंक ना, पण ताणें एक बरी ब्रॉडकास्ट काडली. And the broadcast was only an example. कित्याक म्हणून दुसरे आनी काही ब्रॉडकास्ट काडूंक जाता, but he took a very good example. कित्याक म्हणून नवरात्रीन तुमी that are worshipping all these gods, this BJP, what they call BJP party, is encouraging people, which is a very good thing, to respect their traditions, respect their gods, respect, know what is Navaratri, how many goddesses are there, and all that he said was that in this Navaratri, you are taking a position that you don't want tigers, but in the Navaratri pantheon, three of the goddesses are actually riding on tigers. Yes, the pictures, and he showed in his blog, which I also did not know. He showed in the blog that the pictures of the three goddesses and that they were sitting on the tigers. So ताणें कितें म्हणलें? You on one side you are doing Navaratri, you are asking people to celebrate Navaratri, but on the other hand, you are disrespecting the goddesses, and you by keeping the tiger out of Goa, because you know masterly stroke. I thought it was a great sense. How baro haso laglo. This is very great news that this man has brought out. he has connected a very vital issue which is bothering all of Goans, and he has brought it in connection with Navratri, and he has shown that Navratri is connected with tiger because the goddesses are all riding on tigers, and he has said that ye kide, you are hypocrites. You use the word hypocrites, and he attacked the BJP party. Now, I am not bothered about whether there were 3 goddesses, 12 goddesses. I am with this now. I mean, Navratri, we participate. I mean, somebody told me you wear yellow color today, so I wore yellow color and came. So I have no problem. I respect all the religions. We have no difficulty. But somebody makes a comment saying that the BJP is a hypocrite. How can it become a case in the court? How can it become a matter for FIR? I am bothered only because tomorrow, if I attack Congress party, now somebody will file a case against me. You have heard the sentiments of all the people in the party, because the complaint is twofold. One part of complaint is that it is an attack on BJP and BJP Karyakartas. Now that is not an offense. Under freedom of speech section, Article 19, you can criticize all political parties. That is the job. ते सदाही काम तेच करतात. दुसरे काय काम करीत ते असेंब्ली तसेच काम करतात. ते एकामेका क्रिटिसिझम करतात. की कोण FIR फाईल करता. Nobody files FIR because it is the right of everybody. It is the duty of every citizen to criticize the political party. First of all, because there is ample material. Ample material is there. की ते कामच करीनात. सगळे लोक सदाही क्रिटिसाइज करून किती त्यांच्या विरुद्ध तुम्ही हे करताले. FIR करताले. Now we are not bothered about some person, some lady called Karima Shirodkar who goes and files the complaint. We are not bothered. You can file. I encourage everybody to file complaint. No problem. Now this okay. If the way to complaint, file kara. There is no problem. You have Article 19 says you can file thousands of complaints. But the police are killing. Police officers should have said, they kill a complaint. How can somebody file a complaint just because you call BJP a hypocrite? First of all, that is the truth. That is the truth. BJP is 100% hypocrite. I am not saying only BJP. I am saying you ask Congress also, when they come to party, they will also be hypocrites. That is the cardinal nature of political parties, to be hypocrite. Yeah, आम्ही असे करता, आम्ही असे बोलता, आणि असे करता. So everybody knows, from Adani, Narendra Modi, right down, all political parties are in the same place. So it is not something wrong that I call somebody a hypocrite, halkapur, and that's why you file an FIR. So the police officer who was in charge of the police station, his response should have been, he complained that best time waste करपा लागला. कित्याक complaint घेवपाचें, he should have called the lady and said, Madam, this, if I register this complaint, all of Goa will laugh at me. Because I am criticizing political party, you are saying file FIR. They karun zaina. You should have told her that. You should have laughed a little bit, told her also to laugh a little bit, saying that this is meant for people's entertainment, and then put it in the waste paper basket. That was his duty as a police officer. Just take the complaint and put it in the basket. Now let me show you what is the nature of the complaint and how it is filed. Complaint is filed on the 29th. It has got 5 paragraphs. 5 paragraphs it has got. And तुम्ही वाचला ती complaint? तुका वाचून देऊ complaint? तुका वाचून दिता? Just it is very simple. Today, this is the complainant, Karina Shirodkar, and she is saying that today on 29-25, I have noticed, she is not saying I have heard, she says, I have noticed the video getting viral on social media platform, wherein spokesperson, namely Swapnish Shendekar, who is this spokesperson for, I don't know. He is not a political man. Addressing public via video and is reflecting a photograph of Honorable Prime Minister of India. And please note the spelling of Prime Minister of India. She is insulting the Prime Minister by calling Narendra Modi. So this is a BJP person. She is spelling him as Narandra. India, he doesn't know how to spell the name of the Prime Minister of India, and she's saying that Swapnish is abusing the Prime Minister. She cannot even spell the name properly. At least he should have copied it properly from the newspaper. And is reflecting a photograph also, Mr. I also don't know how to pronounce it. Narendra Modi, who is now seen performing puja of goddess Swapnish Chandekar, while addressing, mentioned that today is second day of Navratri, and the goddess Chandragata and Kushmada Devi are sitting on the tiger. This is the point. Sitting on the tiger is now a complaint. It's a basis for complaint. He further says that BJP leaders and Karyakarta should not perform Navratri Puja and call them Halkad. Halkad, everybody calls BJP Halkad. That's it. And repeatedly, as the BJP Goa do not want tiger reserve in Goa, since one of the cabinet ministers do not want to happen, which refrained the tiger to get their homes in Goa. Which means one of the ministers does not want the tiger to have a home in Goa. No, I'm not worried about the English. Spelling, we should be careful. He also claimed that BJP leaders are making mockery of goddess by showing such pictures, after making mockery of the whole population of Goa by taking them for a ride for 10 years. Swapnish also mentioned that BJP has no right to carry Hinduism, and repeatedly mentioned that BJP leaders should not perform puja on day 3 and day 4 of Navratra Utsav, because on those 2 days the two goddesses are sitting on tigers, and continuously abusing leaders and Karyakarta as Halkad. Further, he also mentioned the Karyakarta should worship MLAs, ministers and their spouse photographs. He's saying, this is what Swapnish is saying. Why he is giving this advice to us, I don't know. Because some of these people should, they are not gods. I say that Swapnish has intentionally created said video and hurt our religious feelings, etc. Now, I lodge my complaint against Swapnish as per the relevant provision of law, which is under no section is given, but it is given as section 299 and 352 of BNS. Now, please note, the complaint is filed on 29 at 6:45 in the evening. It is given there. 16:45. It is signed by PSI Mahesh Naik. 6:45. Now you go to the FIR. FIR is also showing 6:45. FIR comprises of all this information, where it is filed, etc. Gives the name of the parties, etc. Then the FIR gives one paragraph note on the complaint, showing 6:45. Now this PI Naik is a great language master, because he can do even what I am not able to do. He is able to take one page of complaint of Mr. Shirodkar and compress it within one paragraph and put it in all done within 1 minute. But this is the same government. Our Umakant yesterday was murdered in 2 days ago in Mochi. It took them 24 hours to file the FIR. 24 hours. The shooting of those fellows in the extraction of sand, they are seeing this sand mining every day. We are in the High Court's 3 contempt petitions. Everybody can see the sand mining. Police, all are in need of cataract operation. They cannot see anything, but only when somebody takes out a gun and shoots, then they come, sand mining is taking place, and Magitacho front FIR. But in the case of, I can give you hundreds of examples like this, hundreds of examples, where no FIR is filed for 1 day, 3 days, 5 days, 1 month, 2 months, they will not file. But in the case of this lady, she is such charm that she has got, that he comes there as a police officer, whole police station is there, they immediately take the complaint, they immediately make a summary, they immediately make all in space of 1 minute. Every document there is given the time of 1845. This must be some auspicious number on Navratri day or something. Some auspicious number, 1845, some magic is there. Because under that, in that minute, everything is there. So it always obviously shows that this police, they have got hundreds of problems in the state of Goa, from sound pollution, sand extraction, murders. Now 2 people, Rajan Devalla's brother's throat has been cut. All sorts of abominations. People are dying every day on the roads. Lots of issues, and they have got time in that 1 minute to sit and file an FIR on Swapnish Chandlekar because he's criticizing people. Now, anybody, if I have to tell this to any people who are impartial, I will ask them, is there freedom of speech available in the state of Goa? What answer will you give? What answer will you give? Even during Portuguese time, we did not have this type of situation. Even British time, we did not have this type of situation. That it is now today, that is the reason why I agreed to come here when they asked me. I said, yes, it is wrong. PI Naik should have put the complaint in the basket. What they have done is completely wrong. This complaint should be dismissed. This FIR should be withdrawn, and this case should be brought to a halt. And I am saying this on behalf of all the activists in the state of Goa. All the activists from North Goa, South Goa, everywhere, that we don't want this situation where a political party is being criticized and an FIR is filed. That is our right. Nobody can control that right, and we will insist that FIR somehow should be cancelled or withdrawn or whatever has to be done. This is our demand. We are saying that the police has acted completely hastily in this for whatever reason, and because of this timing that they have shown, it shows that this is a false complaint that has been taken on behalf of instructions given by somebody. Just like they can't find a person who has till today given the instructions for the assaulter Rama Kankodkar, till now we will not be able to find for 30 years who is the person who told the police to take the complaint and file the FIR all within 1 minute. That we would like. We would like the same police efficiency of 1 minute FIR in the case of every murder, every illegal action that is taking place in the state of Goa. 1 minute, within 1 minute you give FIR, then we will be happy to see that the conduct of the police is doing. Till that time, don't do this Nakalai business. And there should be an inquiry on how such a complaint has been filed, and all the activists should join together and insist with the police. I am not saying that we go to the police station, that is not required. I am requesting all the activists here to please send a letter tomorrow to the police, Panjam police station, saying that this FIR should be withdrawn because it is an insult to the people of Goa. We have the right to criticize political parties, and nobody will try and control that right by filing FIRs. And the police officer who did this should be reprimanded because what he has done is completely wrong. It is a scandal that today, on the day when we are trying to celebrate Vande Mataram, 150 years, we have this type of a situation which is developing in the state of Goa. This is hypocrites. These are hypocrites. Big page advertisement is coming in the newspaper on Vande Mataram, but this is what is happening in the state of Goa with the police station and with complaints being filed by politicians. So my fervent request to all the activists, please join. I will be writing a letter to the police saying that you withdraw this FIR because it is not at all proper. The police officer should be reprimanded for doing this type of a complaint. It is totally unacceptable, and we reserve the right to file, to make more complaints, to make 2,000 more complaints if required against political parties, and we all reserve the right to call them hypocrites to their face on print media, on social media, and everywhere, because they are hypocrites. This is the conclusion that I would like to draw. So please take my request seriously. I would formally ask all the activists, all the organizations in the state of Goa to write a very polite letter to the PI. If they want a draft, we will give them a draft. But please write saying that please remove this. It's a disgrace on the record of the Panjam police station, and it should not have been filed in the first place. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. म्हणजे बरी एक्सपिरियन्स उलयले आनी आमकां आयज कळ्ळें की स्वप्नीश शिल्लेकराचे एका मिनटान FIR रजिस्टर केले. बरी आसा आमचे गव्हर्नमेंट आनी पुलीस मशिनरी अशी एक्ट करपाची. हांव आतां नेक्स्ट प्रवक्ते आपोवंक सोदता तांकां तुमी हालीं खूब फावट आयकता ते चिंबलाच्या प्रोटेस्टाक आपलो गांव वाचोवपाक भायर सरलेले आसा, आपले समाजा खातीरूय ते वावुरलेले आसा, दाखोवेदा खातीर ते उलयता आनी ते बाकीचे हेका कितें कोणाक त्रास जाला जाल्यारूय उलोवंक येता. सो हांव आतां मातसो आपयता बाब गोविंद शिरोडकर.
सर मातशें ब्रीफ कर, मातशें ब्रीफ कर. तशें न्हू, शॉर्ट कर म्हणटा.
ब्रीफिंग इन शॉर्ट म्हणटा तुका तो.
आताच डॉक्टर गावदास सर जे टायगर सँक्च्युरी जी येवपाची आसली गोंयांत आनी तेका लागून जे तरेन हांगासर विशिश्ट अशे पॉलिटिकल एस्पिरेशन आशिल्ले लोक तेका विरोध करपाक लागले. आनी जर तर तुमकां देव चलता पूण त्या देवाचें वाहन जें आसा तें जर तुमकां एक्सेप्ट जर ना, मागीर तुमची देवा वयली श्रद्धा तरी कसली? हो म्हजो प्रश्न आसा. स्वप्नेश शेर्लेकर सर टायगराचेर उलयलो. म्हाका असोय प्रश्न करपाचो आसा ज्या आमी तुमी सगळे आमी म्हणटा वायट उतरां काडपी न्हू, सरस्वतीक वायट दिसतलें, कारण जी आमची वाचस्पती आसा, ही जीभ जी आसा तेजेर कोण वास करता? सरस्वती वास करता. आणि सरस्वतीचे वाहन कोण? मोर, पिको. बरोबर? आम्ही इतके हेतून श्रद्धे लक्ष्मी पूजन करता. सो मागीर जेन्ना तुम्ही ज्या जाग्यार पिकॉक आसा, बाकीचे सगळे पक्षी आसा, ती जर महाराणा जी आसा, दोंगर आसा, ते जर उद्ध्वस्त जर करता आसत, तुमच्या सरकाराचेर आमी उलोवप न्ही? उलोवंक पडटा न्ही आमकां. हे लोकशाहीन जे आर्टिकल 19(1) आसा तातूंत ह्या लोकशाहीन आमकां अभिव्यक्ती स्वातंत्र्य, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच हो आमकां हक्क दिल्लो आसा. आणि जर हो हक्क बजावपा खातीर तुमी रे कोण आमकां अडवपी? जे कितें हांगासर करपाक जाय ह्या लोकशाहीन लोकां खातीर तुमकां कोणी धाडिल्ले आसा? आमी दिल्ले आसा, आमी धाडिल्ले आसा मरे तुमकां. आणि जो हक्क जो आसा तो आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनान, तेजेर तुम्ही आमचे गदा हाडटा. हे चल्ला कितें तुमचें? तुमकां ह्या भारतांत हुकुमशाही हाडपाची आसा, तेच चल्ला न्ही आतां. कितें आमचो लिडर सोनम वांगचूक कितें इतके इंटरनॅशनल सगळे 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 हे मेळयल्लो, एवॉर्ड मेळयल्लो, शांततेचो पुरस्कार करपी मनीस, तेका तुम्ही भणकणीत घातलो. कितें चुकलें ताचें? कारण आयज प्रत्येक भारतीयाची जी आसा हे सोडून, यांचे लोक सोडून सगळे आमच्यो संवेदना ज्यो आसात वांगचुका कडेन आसात. तेच्या बेगीन बेगीन हे जावचें अशें दिसता. गोंयांत कितें जालें जेन्ना रामाचेर अटॅक जालो, आणि जे त्या ब्रुटलिटीचो हे केलो, अटॅक केलो, त्याचो निषेध करपाक जर तर आम्ही ऍक्टिव्हिस्टा बरोबर बाकीचे जे सगळे आसा संघटना आसा लोक आसा ते जर आझाद मैदानाचेर येवन एक संघपणान जर तर आवाज जर उठयता की सरकारान कितें केला हे चुकीचें आसा हे जर सांगता आसत जाल्यार ती आमची चूक आणि तुम्ही आमचेर एफआयआर घालता आणि कितक्या लोकांचेर तुम्ही कितें हांगासर हिटलरच्या काडून करता हा कितें करपाचो तुमचो विचार आसा हांगासर गोंयांत म्हजो बाबूय आसा तो स्वतंत्र सैनीक आसलो पुर्तुगेजाचो झेंडो सकयल काडपी म्हजो बाबूय आनी ताचो फ्रेंड आसलो 450 वर्सांचो हांवें कितें म्हणपाचें की म्हज्या बापायन तितून आपलें जें योगदान दिलें हे तुमच्या सगळ्या हांगासर हे करपाक आमकां सहन करपाक ना हांव प्रत्येक गोंयकाराक सांगूंक सोदतां इतकेंच सांगूंक सोदतां की आमचे जे कितें अधिकार आसा अभिव्यक्तीचे जर तर आमचेर अन्याय जाता आसत एक बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरान बरें उत्तर हे केल्लें आसा आमकां एक हे दिवन विचाराची एक देणगी दिवन गेल्लो आसा ती कसली बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर म्हणटा जो अन्याय करतो त्याच्यापेक्षा जो कोणी अन्याय सहन करतो तो जास्त गुन्हेगार असतो बरोबर काय ना सगळा म्हणजे हे उतर जे आसा हे आसा ते प्रत्येक हितून आमच्या जेन्ना जेन्ना आमची पब्लिक मिटींग जाता हितून मुद्दा उलयताय आणि हे जे असले जे बसमासूक जे आसा जे आमचेर असो हेका चलयता आमचेर आपले अधिपत चलयता ते मारता कित्याक आम्ही अन्याय सहन करता म्हणून आयज मजा करता कोणाचे घडले माझ्या घरी तुम्ही स्कीम जी हाडली कोणा खातीर हाडली गोंयकारा खातीर हाडली अरे गोंयकाराच्यो हांगासर कितक्योश्योच मुणकाराच्यो ह्यो आसा केशी आसा घराच्यो आसा त्यो सगळ्यो पडून आसा तेन्ना कितक्योश्योच केशी आसा हा जेन्ना तुमकां जाणीव जाता हांगासर की ना आमचे हे जे आसा लोक आमचेर आयज विश्वास दवरिना म्हणून हे अशे जे मायग्रंट जे आसा तांकां इलिगल जे करता तांकां हे करपा खातीर तांकां खुश करपा खातीर हा तुम्ही असले तरेचे कायदे हाडटा आनी तांकां ह्या मजा घराची स्कीम जे कितें आसा ना बाबा मी वाचला आसतले पयलीं कितें करताले अकबर बिरबलाची बरी आसा गोष्ट आसा बिरबल जो आसा ही जी देख जी आसा पळय काय न्हू हांव सांगता ती प्रत्येक पॉलिटिशियन आसा ताणी घेवपाक जाय बिरबल आनी अकबरा कडसून ती कशी माझे हांव राजा माझे प्रशासन कशें चलता हे जर पळोवपाचें जर आसा तर जाय माझ्या मंत्र्याचें हांव आयकून चलचें ना म्हाका स्वता थंय वचून म्हणून कितें करतालो अकबर जो आसा तो वेश बदलून गांवांत वयतालो रिजर्वेशनाचो प्रश्न आसलो बघून आमचे सगळे रिजर्वेशनाचो प्रश्न आसलो बघून आमचे सगळे मंत्रिमंडळ जे गोंयचे दिल्ली गेले आमकां स्पीकर आसा मुख्यमंत्री आसा तो मिनिस्टर आसा 2012 तुम्ही सरकारान आयले तुमच्या बरोबर रावले अरे पुढे फंडामेंटल राईट दिवपाक जाय अजून तुम्ही दिला इतकी वर्सां जाली आता ताका रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिले हांव उबो रावलो आनी त्या शाहाक सांगले हांवें गेली 22 वर्सां म्हटले तुम्ही आमचेर अन्याय केल्लो आसा आणि जस्टिस डिले इज जस्टिस डिनायड हे सांगपाचें धाडस ही म्हजी अभिव्यक्ती आता आयटी पार्क येतालो आता युनिटी मॉल येता ते मग सांगताले हेडी म्हटलें हेजे मामीन म्हटले आणि रुदल्फाचे हेणी कितें केल्लें आसा आमच्या गांवाची चिबलाची वाट लायली लोकांक कळ्ळें तेच्या तोंडार सांगलां कितें कोण हाडलो हाडोवपाक शकना सो सांगपाचें अशें आसा बाबा खूब हें आसा उलोवपाचें आसा सर पूण ना हांव हें करता मातशें कमी करता आनी तुका इतकेंच सांगता की जें स्वदेशाचेर जालां तशें तांकां अशें आमी तांकां कितें दिवपाक जायना आनी डॉक्टरान सांगलां त्या वी हॅव टू कंडेम द एक्शन ऑफ द सरकार जें आसा पळय तें आमी कंडेम करपाक जाय आनी आमी सगळे जाल्यार आमी आसा गोंयकार आसा ते आमी स्वातंत्र्य आसा ते उरतले ना जाल्यार ते सोंपतले ते बरें
ते सगळे भायर तुम्ही पळयतात जाल्यार प्रत्येक जाग्याचेर प्रत्येक गांवांनी प्रत्येक एनजीओ तयार जाता आतां आमकां आस कोणाचेर आसता राजकारणी जे आसा पळय तांकां आमी आमचे गोंय राखपा खातीर धाडलेले आयज प्रश्न असो जाल्लो आसा की राजकारणा वयलो विश्वास सगळ्या लोकांचो गेल्लो आसा हांगा मोजके दिस आसतले तुमकां पूण ओवरऑल पळोवंक गेल्यार गोंयांत न्हू हो सरकार जो आमी हाडलो पळय हुकुमशाहीचो ताका भियोन लोक भायर सरता असो सरकार आमी केन्नाच आमच्या लायफान पळयलो ना आनी आयज आमकां खंय तरी आजार दिसूंक लागला स्वप्नेश शेर्लेकर बाब जावं तो कितलेशे अशे सगळ्यांनी नांवां घेयना हांव अशें शंबरांनी भायर सरचें पडलें कित्या खातीर की ह्या सरकारान ती पाळी हाडल्या आमचे रस्त्यार टायगर रिजर्व कोणा जे दोंगर पळय तुमी काबार करून उठल्या पळय टायगर रिजर्व जालें जाल्यार हांकां जाय तशें आनीक हांग मेळटलें कित्याक हे 35ची 37ची तयारी करता कित्याक गोंयकार म्हणटाले सुशेगाद गोंयकार उरताना गोंयकारान 12च्यान 22 पर्यंत वाट पयली कितें बरें करता आनी कितें करता जेन्ना लोकांक कळ्ळें हो सरकार जो आसा तो घातकी आनी हो आमचें गोंय काबार करून उरतलो तेन्ना खंय तरी आमकां स्वप्नेश शेर्लेकर आसलो जावं क्लावड आल्वारीस सर आसलो हे एनजीओ भायर सरून खंय तरी आमकां गांवचे जे लढटा आमी तांकां एक उर्बा येयली कोण तरी आसा आमच्या फाटल्यान आयज प्रत्येक जाग्याचेर कोणें आस दवरल्या जाल्यार एनजीओचेर आनी जे बरे म्हापशे शेर्लेकर बाब ताका सीएमान पसून जितलो रिस्पेक्ट आसता तितलो रिस्पेक्ट आयज आमी गोंयकार सीएमान गोंया खातीर हे 33 जाण बसले म्हापशें नांव घेना 33 जाण जे बसले एसेंब्लीन तेणी गोंया खातीर 12च्यान आयज पर्यंत आयच्या दिसा पर्यंत गोंयांत लोकांक जाय तसलो खंयचोच हे हाडलो ना बाबा लोक तुमकां बरें केन्ना म्हटलें हाका बाबा हे